Hi there. Do you know that there are a lot of interesting activities outside regular academic activities for us?
Like what?
Great. Please come, let's find out.
You can learn helpful information and get a lot of useful tips about everything concerning studies and university life, as well as participate in language courses and multicultural workshops where you will have the opportunity to discover the world. Make new friends and have fun through participating in diverse activities. You will create a lot of new wonderful memories.
You will have the chance to create something and get practical experience. Shape the activities you participate in together with other students. Everybody here is open to new ideas and your suggestions.
Actually, it is possible to do all this online, and there is a lot of fun. In fact, the video was created thanks to our online Make It Visible project.
Enjoy, help others with us, and relax.